So
I have no idea what we're talking about.
What's up? We're back. Welcome back to another video. This is part 13 of tucking the engine bay of the LS300ZX. Last week we made some progress on installing the Holley wiring harness and getting everything hooked up. So in today's video we're going to start extending the wiring to go from the left side to the right side of the car so we can finally connect the factory harness back together and then merge it into the Holley harness and then connect it to the fuse block. And then also I'm about to do some serious work cleaning up this garage, so let's get into it. So previously, the body harness of the car ran all the way up around the front and then back through the other fender on the other side. We're trying to have the body harness run inside of the wiper cowl so it's hidden, and we're simplifying what all wires are actually even needed. So we're excluding a lot of wires for things that we're not using anymore, like the fog lights, for example. We're going to extend it and run it across. So in order to extend it, we've got this Subaru wiring harness, which we're going to be stealing wires out of, using to extend this harness so we can connect it on the other side, and then putting it all back together and trying to make it look good and make it work, obviously. So this is a Subaru harness.
Yep, 2005 STI.
That we're gonna put in the Z.
Part of.
With that, Lucas started tearing apart the Subaru wiring harness. The wiring for the fuse block is going to come out down here, so Lucas is making some extensions so that we can do that. Then for connecting the wiring from both sides of the car together, we're going to need some 6-foot runs of wire. So while Lucas is attaching extensions, I'm running through the Subaru harness and finding 6-foot strands of wire. And then this is right about when Alan showed up and started distracting us. Alright, I'm doing wires, Lucas is wiring, and then Alan just is setting up an obstacle course for his car.
Power wagon, don't you dare call it a car.
Let's see if
it's a classic Dodge machine.
Let's see if it can do it. What does it got?
This foam right here is going to give it some trouble.
Oh,
I need this to stay.
You almost got it. Dude, you have to do it for the video. You have to get over it.
Alright. Sometimes that doesn't work either.
Oh! Dude, the hill has defeated the rock crawler.
Take one.
I just cleaned up the garage and Lucas is already ruining it again. Bro brought the car outside. Let's see what it's got.
You shoot.
It's mine, dude.
It's yours?
I'm saving it. Dude, so far this thing is not impressing me.
Okay, fine, let's go get the other one.
Yeah, the thing's about to climb the side of the chair. Oh! Oh! Oh!
controller sucks. Like, you go to finger it and then it does nothing, and then it... I see why it's cheap.
Don't you hate when you go to finger it and it does nothing?